say? What is going on? Good morning, everyone. Let's see here if it already popped me into getting being live. It did. Let's open up the chat. Dude, right, magic keys. Let's stop fucking about because this accidentally opens the trade. That'll be messed up. Alright, here we have gold. Barely stopped me out. Break even. Let's see here. Setting everything up real quick. What is that? 15 minute zone? Yeah. Let me admit. Alright. Alright, now that I'm settled, oh, it's about to break me out of, stop me out of break even, and also stopped out my 20% right here. That's okay. Let's see here. What's up, Shazad? What's up, Davis? What up, bro? What up, AJ? How are you? Doing good, bro. I was sick not too long ago, though, but I'm good now. We're good now. Alright. So, let's wait for some people to stream in here. Let me do this real quick. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Jeez. What's up, Dennis? That paste at right. All right, perfect. Boom. All right. Now I'm back. Think I got COVID? Oh fuck. I was just sick like yesterday too, bro. Or like 2 days ago. I was fucked up. I didn't trade. Um I didn't trade Thursday and Friday because I was fucked up, bro. I was just sick. I was like, what the heck? So yeah, man. COVID's hitting everybody up right now. So shit. So obviously here looking for buys here. What's up? I'm on a bus. Too loud? Okay, yeah, makes sense. Yeah, I want to hear that. So currently looking for buys here on gold, and yes, I'm counter trend trading because it needs to retrace before coming lower. Right? I don't think we're gonna stay in this zone for too much longer. There's two things that I'm looking at to happen here on gold. or we get an aggressive spike down to this weekly support again, to then continue up, to then continue down. I don't like, telling the future, but that's most likely what's gonna happen. Let's be real. So the 1 hour just opened. It's at 1 hour support. Let me get rid of these lines here. Let's clean up this chart again a bit. All right, 4 hour created support. Now I do want to see another. Oh, yo, what up, Stefan? What's up, Mahik? So I do want to see another rejection down here somewhere. To then continue to buy it higher. All right. So let's see here. As of right now, we broken that little channel that we were in. This is just corrective move to this push. So you had this push, simple corrective move, right? Another push. Now you have a corrective move, but we are rejecting the same area that we rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 times. So you knock on a door 6 times, or you bash on a door 6 times, I guarantee you it's gonna open up the 7th time, right? Let me add people. Oops, they've been waiting. Zoom, my bad. Admit. Right. Let me open up here the five-minute candle. And now let's just see what's up. We're at 1 hour support right here. Let me mark that off. Something like that. Oops. All right. Rejecting off of it. Pretty smooth right now. Got a doji candle. Oh, yeah, I heard that, didn't you? All right. So now you just gotta be patient here. Let me open up this Telegram as well. Then let's get it in. Right. $15-minute closes in 2 minutes. 30 minutes closes in 17 minutes. Right, and then the 1 hour is just stuck. That's cool. Right. Yo, what's going on, certified gentlemen? Welcome. Welcome. 'Right now, just waiting, man, waiting on gold. And honestly, it might not even be ready to buy. We might even see lower levels as well, like down here. Because looking at the monthly, it closes in, oh, damn, today. Yeah, so it's just going to mess about today in this zone. It's not going to do anything much. So today, I wouldn't even risk that much, honestly. All right. I already had buys as soon as price broke here. All right, stops above, or stops below, sorry. And we couldn't break, which is fine. Not an issue at all. Now maybe we could get in, and it did stop me at that break even, sadly. So maybe we could get another entry as soon as it breaks, stops below, and then eventually target the highs again. Or if volume ends up coming, we could start kicking these highs, but I wonder what that looks like. Nah, I don't think that's happening today. Possibly, but I don't think so. It doesn't make sense for that to happen, right? So if you look here, Go to the monthly. How would it look like if the monthly closed right here? Doesn't look right at all, does it? Doesn't look right at all. So let's go to the 5 minute. Now the monthly, but today's tricky, man. It's a tricky day. Today's a tricky day. Monthly closes. Forex Factory. See what Forex Factory is talking about today. Nothing much today. Oh, Chicago PMI. It's not gonna affect gold. Then we got the PMI as well. Coming in here at negative numbers, which means positive USD, but that's for tomorrow, so that'll probably make the monthly top wick. You know, this week will probably make the monthly top wick. And then ADP, right? This week's crazy, man. This week's fireworks. Fireworks, baby. PMI, but they're all calling negative numbers, which means positive USD. Plus, we got inflation. Plus, we got that war, which is kind of weird. This is not to be trusted. You can't take trades off this candlestick pattern. 15 minutes still kind of closed. Not strong. A little rejection, but it's still closed bearish. Right. Let's look here. GJ. I think everyone wants short from this area. You could potentially. I mean, it's daily support, right? So probably catch a nice wick, catch a nice rejection here on GJ. All right. See how it's coming up steep. Weekly. Let's look at the weekly. I barely trade GJ anymore. Interesting. Man, if this area breaks, man. If this area on the weekly breaks and you're in shorts from up there somewhere, man, you're big chillin'. Big chillin'. Right? But in the meantime, this is what I'm. See, missed my fucking opportunity right here. Right here at the break. I could have got in at the break. Stops below. Targeting the highs again. Possibly higher. I'm not in though. I'm not in that. Sadly. Nah, it's the 15-minute opened. 15-minute just opened. So I always say, like, the move is never missed on gold. It's never missed. It always give you an opportunity to enter. Yo, what's up, African Sylvester? How you doing, bro? How you doing? Ah, look at that. That hurts. Jesus. You'd be in. 9 pips stop. 4 pips already. Right. At least 1800 for today. Yeah, but I was just looking at that as well. That was my. So I had buys here this morning, right? From this level right here. These were my buys. Targeting here. Which makes a lot of sense. And honestly, I think it's still going to play out. But I flipped it to the monthly. And I was like, okay. Oh, wait, where is it? Oh, no. I'm wrong. Well, it does make sense that the monthly closes like that. That the monthly closes right here. Right? So, 1800, right? Possibly. Somewhere about this area. Yeah. At least 1800. Yeah. I think if you're in these buys, I think you're going to get it. 15-minute engulfed at this time. I missed my entry. Too busy explaining. Right? And this fucking broker this broker stopped me out at BE. I even knew he was gonna come right back down here, but that's okay. All right. What's up, friends? How you doing, homie? How is your Monday evening? For me, it's Monday morning. Monday morning, cold as hell in Belgium, bro. I swear, I'm about to put on my what's it called? Come on, my robe. My robe. All right, 15-minute is engulfing. Right. Now, if the 15-minute closes engulfing here in 10 minutes, right, you could possibly get an entry. Something like that. But I don't like that. I don't like entries like this. I mean, high probability right now that it's gonna do that what it's gonna do, right? But then at the same time, it could just reject, and then you stuck up there buying that shit, buying that high right there, right? So let's look at the 1 hour. 1 hour tap down, rejected. Now let's mark this zone up again. We're stuck in this range, man. We're stuck in this range. Monday afternoon in Dubai. Yeah, it's afternoon for me here in 40 minutes. So then it'll be 12 p.m. actually, right in the morning. It's kind of cold over here, right? It's freezing. What's the weather like in Dubai? Probably warm as hell, isn't it? It's probably warm as hell, right? I want that one dude to pop up again. I was talking shit on my stream last week. He a hoe. I'll smack his ass, boy. Smack him. Right. You guys are 3 hours ahead? I didn't know that. So it's actually already New York session for you guys. Warmest winters, you could say? Yeah. Man, I wish. If I'd take the camera and show you what it looks like outside, you'll be like, man, fuck that. Fuck that. Man, tell me about it. Ooh, these were the entries right here, man. Fuck. 8.5 pips. 10 pips profit right now. 12.21 Cape Town. That's lit. Yeah. Cape Town. What's the weather like in Cape Town, bro? It's cold out there or what? The winter's like in Cape Town. Probably hot as hell. Probably steamrolling in it. Look at that. Exactly. 5-minute rejection. Big time. It's just messing about in this range, bro. But you see the volume of the candles every time we get to this area. Right? It's being held up. Every time price gets in this area, look. First time, bounced up. Second time, volume. Right? Same thing right here, right? Price creates support right here. Boom, runs away directly. Right? Gotta pay attention where the buyers are. Here it fakes you out. Right, faked you out. This is where the 10 pip people got in for shorts. Right, boom. Turns around on you. Wicks you down, thinking you can still possibly get in, and then it just leaves you gone. Right? Then it comes right back. Another bullish candle. Pretty strong. Another one. Right? Wicks back down, rejects away from it. After the rejection, big push. Creates support right here again on the 15-minute. Taps down into the area. And now it's running away again. How could you have capitalized this on the smaller time frames? I missed it. But right here. This is how you keep your stop losses small and your risk to reward high. But it's not easy. It's not easy trading like this, and it takes a lot of guts to just hit the enter button, right? Because now you're also looking at the 5-minute time frame. Everything moves fast. 15-minute candle is engulfing right now, right? But you still have this area of concern right up in here. Right where that green line is at. Right, and it's already acting up, right? So right now, best thing to do, let it do its thing, let it play out, and when there's volume, bam, rob his ass, right? Rob him. Doing good, bro. And you, man, today looks scary on gold. I took 20 pips buys earlier this morning. I'm about to run away with my profits. Don't want to give it back. That makes a lot of sense. That's something, the best thing. That's the best, not sometimes. That's always the best thing you could do. Right? Ran away with these profits. They're not a lot. I kind of do want to risk it for the biscuit one more time. Right? But if I don't have to, I won't. I mean, this week is fucking insane, right? Don't blow your account on a Monday because you're emotionally disturbed, right? Because the emotions are getting the best of you. Now you see the 1 hour is just messing about in this range, man. This range is deadly. This is just rally, base. Eventually, I think we're gonna go up, but don't forget where in the fuck we're coming from again. Look at that. Look at this. Right? Don't forget. Big bearish momentum here. I honestly thought, like last month, I'm not even going to front or lie, because I remember the monthly candle was right here. And I said that I'm like, okay, so once this monthly candle flips, let me go to a WAND so I could draw on it. Or no, you know what I do also? I can also do this. I can annotate like that. Right, let's make that yellow. Alright. And stop annotating. Hide that real quick. Like that. Alright. Annotate that real quick. Come on, bro. Alright. Bro. I was not trying to let me annotate. Draw. Okay. Yeah, so last week it was on the monthly. Right? Once this monthly candle flipped, you would expect it, right? Because we created support right here. This is monthly support. This candle tapped into the support. Very strong monthly candle. But I think honestly this candle is just news, right? So price flipped bullish. So I'm looking for shorts the whole time, because I'm not gonna buy up here. But I honestly did not expect price to just tumble down just like that. Now when this monthly closes, a lot of things are gonna change, because then I'm gonna look at possibly a retracement, you know, somewhere into this resistance area, something like that. And then right, it's just tricky because now the monthly is actually stuck from here to here. This is the range that we're playing right now, right? Until we break higher and close higher, we'll be playing in this range from here to here. But now we're stuck in this ugly range. It's kind of pointless. It's kind of fucked up, isn't it? Yo, what's up, Louis? How you doing, bro? I'm waiting for 1782. Why are you waiting for 1782, bro? What'd you say? 1782 to buy. 1782, 1783. Oh yeah, makes a lot of sense. That was my idea coming into you know, my trading day, was for price to tap down in here and create like a nice double bottom, collect a little, you know, give us a wick down into this area right here, collecting all this money to then fly up, right? And at least close the monthly rejecting. But you know, who knows? Who knows? And you also got to adapt, right? If because I saw this happen and I took advantage of, you know, these 30-40 pips, closed some, which is pretty good. And now Now, actually, what it's doing right now, right? If you draw a fib, because we did break structure on the lower time frame, and it actually was just closing this gap right here also. If you close a fib, it pushed up. Look how slowly it came down to then now engulf on the 15-minute right at the 61.8 level. So if this 15-minute candle or 30-minute candle comes down here into this area, wicks, gives us nice price action on the 5-minute candle on the 5-minute time frame, then boom, you could probably take another buy, right? Probably, possibly. So then eventually my TP for today would be then this weekly resistance and then this 4-hour zone right in that area. But if it starts here at this yellow bar. If you can't close above this yellow bar, then you know it's kind of pointless. Yeah, emotional damage is insane. It's crazy. Emotional damage is, yeah, that shit will have you right leaving your account on zero real fast. Take you back to the demo account real quick, right? There goes. That's the 4-hour pushing. What's that 5-minute pushing? Yeah, I knew it. That dude better not come back here and start in trouble. Big Luke will get him. Yeah, Luke's not here, so he can't get him right now. But dude, this dude commented on like all my YouTube videos and was like, "Yeah, you're a counter trend trader and blah blah blah." I'm like, "No, bro, I just follow the market." But when you're too pathetic to realize and try to at least open your eyes to look at the bigger picture, then fuck it, bro. I don't want nothing to do with you. If I see him in here, I'll just block him right from the channel. He could just make as many accounts as he wants. I'll just keep blocking him. I don't care. Right? Stefanel, I'm in from 82. Your chance slipped. Oh, you got a nice entry. Yeah, you got a sick entry, bro. Good job. Good fucking job. I wasn't on the charts Thursday and Friday, bro. I was sick as a dog. I was sick as a dog. But it just comes to show how. It just comes to shows how. So let's break this down here. How many entries you could have got in here, right? So first entry, just look based off 15-minute, right? Just based off the 15-minute. This is not an entry. I mean, it's really not. And then either way, it came back down, right? Let's see here. Well, let's be real. Based on the 15, this was my entry. I don't see anything else. I wouldn't enter this one. This right here, these little two candles, man, perfect, beautiful. Enter at the open. Risky, aggressive stops below. More conservative stops below here, right? And then eventually enter, boom, 38 pips. Yeah, you're already up, or you would have made it 2-1 already. You could still float coming into here, right? Well, definitely. But those buys, those are beautiful buys, bro. Great job. Now you should already be chilling at break even. You shouldn't even be, you know, right? You should just be chilling. Big chilling. Right now we got this 30-minute or 1-hour candle looking like we want to break above. If we don't, then it is what it is. Let's see here. Stefanel, good shit, bro. Yes, his ass. Yeah, he better not. Just be careful. This end of the month, yeah. Yeah, for sure. End of the month is insane, bro. It's always fucked up. Right? It could do anything right now, right? It could create the top wick. It could reject, create the top wick, or it could fucking shoot up right now in 22 hours, man. I've seen it all. Trust. I've seen it all. And that's the beauty about gold, right? That's the beauty when you're trading gold. So if you take this trend line right here, then you would have had that rejection right there. Pretty nice. All right. Would you advise buys above 1793 level? Oh shit. Why? Why would you? Esther. If you can tell me why, I could probably tell you. 1793. Right here? Why? Tell me why, Esther. Why would you want me to advise you or give you advice on that level right here? It doesn't make any sense to buy. Look, before I start, this is your trading, this is how you trade. Now, I'm gonna avoid a mistake that I made last week. This is my advice to you. I don't buy the high of a range, and the reason for it being is because say price gets here, right? What are the chances? You're buying at resistance, right? What are the chances? So once you buy at resistance, your probability decreases already by I don't know how many percent, right? So me personally, I don't advise buying that high at structure. You could if you want to, but then technically you would have your stops right here, which is 43 pips, and then you would want to target here, right? To make it a little decent of a trade, right? Or you're probably trying to take 10 pips and do something like that. But I don't understand why you would want to buy that high. Now, why don't you just do something like this, right? If you want to buy up here, do something. I'm about to create a strategy for you right here on the 5-minute. Just on gold. Just to stop you from buying the high, right? So, let's go to Awanda. I'm about to create this strategy right off the bat. 5 minutes, right? Watch this. But don't buy that high, bro. So, here you have, this is how you guys trade, right? You have your 5-minute zone right here, right? And then you have your, this doesn't make sense. Fuck that. I'm not making a strategy, but it just doesn't make sense. Nah, bro, but don't do that. The chances of it rejecting are very high at the resistance areas. You don't want to buy the resistance. Baby pips teaches you to buy at the support, right? So what I would do is, wait for the retracement, wait for the price action to tell you, okay, yeah, we're ready to buy. There's bait it, yeah, bait it for sure, for real. There's plenty of opportunities that you could get in, right? Plenty, bro, plenty. Looking at support, buying support, right? Just like I said, just on a 15-minute, I'm gonna teach you how to trade right now, right? Like for real, genuinely. 4-hour resistance, right? We're gonna go back in time. I'm gonna teach you support and resistance trading, how simple it can be. Now, the only thing that I want you to look for, right, at 4-hour support areas are 15-minute engulfing candles, right? So we just drew this line, right? This is your 4-hour support zones. I only want you to look at 15-minute engulfing candles, and I want you to get in on paper trade at first, just on engulfing candles. Now, if you don't know what an engulfing candle is, I'll show you. This is an engulf. Well, it's not a good engulfing, but it's engulfed, right? Right here. Right? I'll show you. Just on the 15-minute engulfing candles, you're going to get in. Well, this support didn't show any. Man. Okay. Oh my God. Let me just go to Oanda real quick. Get rid of that. Let me go to Oanda again. Alright, Oanda. Let's just mark up some resistances on the 4-hour. Right? Support right here. Let's just mark up some support and resistance right here. Let's see. We had some resistance right here as well. I only want you to get in at resistance on the 4-hour, or support 4 hour and get in at the 15-minute rejections, right? Engulfings. And watch how drastically and take note of, bro, I'm literally teaching you how easy trading is. And watch how drastically your trading increases. So we're looking at the 15-minute. Oh, damn. Let's just go back in time, right? Now, all these that I just marked up are just quick 4-hour supports, right? And let's see if we find engulfing candles on the 15-minute time frame. And I'm going to show you how simple trading really is, right? What do you have right here on the 15-minute? You have an engulfing candle at support, right? You enter at the open. You put your stops not right below it, say 5 pips below, 25 pips, right? And try to go for a 2 risk reward ratio at first, right? But as you can see, right, it flew higher, okay, right? Simple, right? Then it goes here. Let's see where that 4-hour resistance is eventually. What does it do right here? It tells you every time, bro. You're trying to buy here, right? You're trying to buy here at this level. Does it make sense to buy here right now? You're looking at something like this, right? You saw that break. You're putting your stops right here, and you're getting demolished. You didn't even get 3 pips, right? You didn't even get 3 pips. You got 7 pips. Wow. Right? But look at it. Around these areas, you just got to be patient. You got to wait. You see 15-minute closing engulfing. You get in on the enter. Now, you do have a big stop loss right here, but if you manage risk, it shouldn't matter. It should automatically, right? 51 pips. We'll make it 56 pip stop. And just go for 100 pips. 2-1. Your target is met. Your target is met. Just every time at 4-hour support and 4-hour resistance, take a buy at support when the 15-minute candle engulfs, and take a sell at resistance when the 15-minute candle engulfs. Here, you have an engulfing candle. Right here, you enter, boom. Now, this isn't that 4-hour resistance, right? But look, you had a fucking, let's add the 5 pips, right? You had a 30 or 28 pip stop, right? 2-1. Boom. Simple. Right? Just that, and you gotta think like these support and resistance update. They update, right? Now here you probably would have got fucked. Probably, honestly, you would have got fucked right here, right? Because you saw this engulfing right here. Probably would have bought 5 pips below. 10, 15 pips. Yeah, you got fucked. That's okay. Because you already smacked down 2 trades, right? But it's really that simple. Come up here. Got a nice pin bar right there. Engulfing candle again. Right? Messing about. Here, 15-minute engulfing. Before the big push. Before the big move. Just like that. Boom. 13, 18 pips. Just like that. 2-1. Just like that, bro. It's that simple, bro. And look what it could have gave you. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? Here's no engulfing. Actually caught these shorts. No engulfing, no engulfing, no engulfing. It's okay. Keep moving. And now we're here. We're back, all right? That's simple. Get rid of that right there. Try doing that on paper trades. You don't even have to trade it with real money. Just paper trade it and just watch. And just think like, wow. And get in on a demo trade and just think to yourself like, what the fuck? This actually makes more sense. Right? For example, right here, this is the most recent. I don't call that in. That's not engulfing. Because it didn't engulf the wicks. It engulfed the bodies though. Right? But for example, even I would never do this. Right? Because it's just because you're stuck in the range. I would do it right here, but not right here. 26 pips. 31 pips. Go for a 2-to-1. So you would need price to come up to here to get your 2-to-1. Right? You're fluctuating a little bit. That's fine. But 9 times out of 10, this is going to play out. And it's just that simple. Now, once you get better at the 15-minute time frame, you drop down to the 5-minute time frame. And you get those nice. And it's the same thing on a 5-minute, right? Look. Entry. Right? Stops below 15. Let's make it 20 pips. And then we're going for 2-to-1. That trade took you what? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 35, 44. An hour. Your trading day's done. Right? What's his name again? Kabiru. Right? It's that simple, bro. Here, 15-minute candle engulfed. Almost. But let's use it. So you got in here. Let's just use it for an example. 30 pips stop loss. 60 pips. Right here. This right here makes more sense than this. Right? Because now you have an entry from down here. And if price then comes up to this area and it doesn't break, that's fine. You're already fucking mad deep in profits, right? That, in my opinion, makes more sense than buying at a resistance, trying to get your 10 pips. Yeah, bro, Esther, just first, before you actually really trade that, collect some data and look for daily support, look for 4-hour support, and wait for the 15-minute engulfings to happen. Get in 5 minutes below. That's it. You're profitable. That's it. That is it. I actually should make an account on just trading engulfing candles just on the 15 minutes, just to show how effective it is. I missed our entry right here though. Damn. This is gonna go. This is right here for sure, 100%. Yeah, bro, you're welcome, Esther. You are welcome. Try to look at it like that. And if it doesn't work for you, perfect. Change your ways. But it should work. I mean, it should, like 90%. Very high strike rate as well. Just go back and back test it. Go see for yourself. Numbers don't lie. History repeats itself. Even now. Right? Back in like the 1600s, they wore masks. Now we're wearing masks. I got in at 1789.40. 1789.40. Let's see. 1789. Okay. See. Okay. All right. 1789.40. So you got in like right here. Your stops are below. You're risking 12 pips. And now you should be, at least targeting a 2-to-1. I mean, it worked out better. Now, see now Davis, he got in right here, right, Esther? Now Davis, say Davis, oh shit. Say we come up here, right? Say we come up to this yellow line right here, to this 1-hour resistance right here. And Davis sees on the lower time frames, okay, we're rejecting this area again. David now has the option. David has options here. He could be like, okay, I'm gonna put my stops at break even. I'm gonna see what it wants to do. Or he could be like, you know what? I'm happy with what I see. I could just take these profits, call it a day, go hang out with my family, do my thing, work on my side hustle, whatever the fuck he wants to do, while you're here looking for a buy, hoping that it's gonna break, right? Davis got options right now. He even has options right now as we speak, right? His entries right here, 12 pip stop, right? 2 to 1. It's right here, 2.0. His 2.0 TP is almost hit. 1 to 2, right? Great trade. Great trade. Beautiful trade. Should hit. Should actually eventually hit here. And honestly, I honestly think that it should break and then actually collect a pair. Right? Good shit, Davis. Good shit. Don't forget though, don't get greedy, bro. Make sure you always collect your profits. Whenever you're happy with what the numbers say, collect, alright? It's very important. That's very important. When I'm trading and I look on my meta trade and I'm kicked back watching and I like the profits I see, I just exit it. I'm like, fuck it, you know what? I'm happy with this. Right? Hey Guala, what if you get in on an engulfing candle and then the next candle doesn't go your way and you get stopped out? If you're managing risk, then it shouldn't be an issue, right? And that's why it's always important to go for 2 to 1 risk to reward ratios, because it doubles. So say you get a 2 to 1 ratio or a 3 to 1, right? You can lose 3 times, even 4 times before you actually really lost, right? Important at your risk to reward is always, you know, a 2 to 1. Don't go for 1 to 1s, because if you're going for a 1 to 1, you win this trade, you lose the next trade, you're at break even for the week, right? And that's why a lot of people stay at break even with their trading account, is because their risk reward is off. Right? You got to hold that 2 to 1, and yeah, you got to make it. You got to make it count, right? But back on your question, if it doesn't go your way, then probability wasn't there for you. But I guarantee you, I keep trying to preach this. Get in on that. Get in on the 4-hour supports. 4-hour supports, daily supports. Right? Mark your daily supports off. Don't go looking back into Don't look back into 1700 with people do this. You know, I'm not bashing them. That's how they trade, but I find this hard. They look for daily supports like this. I find this very, 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 very hard. No. What you want to do, you want to look for that daily support and daily resistance. Well, here's your daily support. That's your daily support. This is your daily support. Right here you have daily support. This is daily support. This is daily resistance. I fucking guarantee you, we could place a bet. Every time price taps into these areas, you're gonna or get a rejection. Every time you're gonna get a rejection. So if you like zones, you mark off the zone like this. I can't stand that. And in this area, in this red zone, that's your strike zone. You're gonna look for that 15-minute engulfing. Right? You can even do that. But every time that daily resistance, right? Make money. Simple. You know what? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make like a little $5 to $1,000 account. Proper risk management. And I'm gonna just show you guys how deadly and effective 15-minute engulfing candlesticks could be. Matter of fact, I'm gonna open a funded account. Watch, I'm gonna make a whole YouTube episode on this shit right here. I'm gonna open up a funded account. Alright? Let's start the week fresh on the funded account. So I'll do it next week. Right? I'll do it next week. What's today? Today's Monday. Fuck. And I'm going to do that on a funded account. And I'm just going to trade 15-minute engulfing candlesticks at 4-hour support or daily support or weekly support or resistance. And I'm going to really show you guys how effective it is. I'll buy a $10,000 funded account. And I'm going to prove to you guys, when you just wait at 4-hour support, 4-hour support, daily support, 4-hour resistance, daily resistance, take the engulfings, stops 5 pips above, go for a 2-to-1. You're good. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna map it all out. And that's how sure I am of just 15-minute engulfing candles. Because I've seen it over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. You have a limit of stop loss and pips. Wait, do you have a limit of stop loss and pips? Like, if the risk is up that amount of pips, you don't take the trade? I don't understand. If the risk is up that amount of pips. So, me, bro, personally, I have magic keys, right? I don't use these physical ones anymore. Oh, damn. Alright. What up? I don't use these physical ones anymore because I like the ones on screen better, but I do. You're like when it's like a 20-30 pip stop loss, I don't like that. I could work with it, but that's not how I trade, right? So I like to grab the 5-minute entries, just like right here, like I said, like damn, I missed it, which is cool, right? Like stuff like this. This is me. This is me right here. This is me. Because the magic keys automatically puts in your 1% loss on 8 pips. And then your 1 to 2 is there quick. Bam. Boom. 10 minutes. You're done. Right? Just the 1 or 2. But I like to stretch these into my bigger target zones. Right? So I don't really... Yeah, so I really pay attention to... yeah, I don't like big stops. But on this new episode I'm doing, watch me work. Watch me work. But this is me. This is me. This is me. This is what got me my name. Right? There's only 2 people that I know that traded like this before all the bandwagoners got on. 3 people. And I don't know if he's still in the chart. Me, AJ, and Kerwin. Before everyone hopped on this wave, right? I'll probably say like those are only 3. But if you know what you're doing, it's effective. I don't know anyone else. Now everyone's doing it. Right? He'll vouch. AJ will vouch if he's still in the YouTube. He'll vouch. But it's effective. This is me right here. 8 pip stop, 100 pip TP. But you gotta know how to manage this. You can't just fucking think like, okay, I got an 8 pip stop. Right? We're gonna run it 100 pips. Doesn't work like that every time. Sometimes you gotta manage it. Sometimes you gotta see right here we're at 1 hour resistance. We gotta be very careful. Maybe we gotta cut the trade, right? Because if you're up already 2-to-1, don't ever let that shit get back into drawdown. Don't ever let that shit come back to you and make you lose, right? It's pointless. That'll be lovely. I got you. She's that. I got you. I swear I'm gonna do that shit. Love from India. Yo, what up? Thanks, bro. Vishav. Well, I don't want to say your name wrong, but love from Belgium, bro. I'm from Colorado, but I'm in Belgium right now, so love from. Alright, I don't want to say your name wrong, bro. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. That's simple. I've been backtesting a lot, and this strategy is actually good, so I understand what you're saying. Yeah. Backtest it. Now, once you're ready, once you've seen results, once once you've seen the results, like once you back tested and you took your notes and you see like, okay, yeah, this is really working, slap a demo account, grab a demo account, slap that on there, right? Boom, go with the flow. Trade it on the demo, right? Open up $100 account, use that, right? Just so you can get better, right? And then boom, once you're ready, you go to your account, and then you enter the real trade based on what you have back tested and based on what you have seen, right? M1 be doing delicate things. I got out, left one position at break even. Yeah, honestly, I think the 1 minute time frame is just a big gamble. I'm gonna just be real. It doesn't give you enough information to take a trade, right? I feel like it doesn't give me enough to take a trade, up or down. 5 minutes already risky, like right here. Now, perfect learning opportunity right here. When the 5 minute candle breaks, this is guala right here. If this 5 minute candle that's open right now breaks the low right here, that could be an entry. Could be. That's me. That's how I trade. But you also got to look. 15-minute candle, very bullish. New 15-minute candle just opened. 30-minute candle broke the high. 1 hour candle closed very strong, right? You got to be careful. But say the 15-minute candle was about to close like 5 minutes, and this could be like the 15-minute candle flipping point. Ooh, baby, I'm icing that every time. Every time I'm icing that. Right? But for the people that's in this long, very good job, bro. Just hold it. Make sure that you collect some profits. You're going to get your 1 hour wick right now, coming down, probably into this area. 1 hour wick into this area. Break and retest, right, to continue higher. Yeah, I remember telling you that, Shanique, with the 15-minute. When you guys tapped into that free Zoom, right? I remember that. I gotta use different soap. That shit always makes my nose itch. Right? This is not an entry. Don't enter this shit. It's making a 1 minute. This is making a 1 hour bottom wick right now. See how this 1 hour candle closed very strong? Closed above here. Create a new support. Now, pay attention. 1 hour support. Switch right here. Get rid of that. Right? Now look. 2 options for the people that's in buys. 2 options. Tap into here somewhere. To this red line. Let's make that. Green. Right? Or we could tap into this support area right here. And flip bullish to then continue higher. Right? So this is what I would be doing if I was in this trade. I'm managing it. I'm thinking like, what are the possibilities? I'm emotionally preparing myself to probably, look at my MetaTrader and see that it's losing money, but emotionally you're preparing yourself for the bigger picture. Right? Or shit, price could just fucking smash down right now because some bullshit happens, right? That's also an option. Right? But in the meantime, you just gotta wait. But I got y'all, for real. I got y'all. I'm about to make that for y'all. I swear. I gotta go to the barber again. High key, my beard's popping out. Fuck it. Right? 4 hour closes in 3 hours. Now, be mindful. 4 hour could reject and totally flip bearish, and it'll kind of look like this. You always gotta pay attention to the bigger time frames. Right? You know, kind of look like this, right? Honestly, I don't think it's gonna happen, but it could. So keep that in the back of your mind. 4 hour trumps. 4 hour trumps, our daily trumps, 4 hour, right? And so on and so forth. Weekly trumps, daily. So what do you guys think the weekly is doing right now? You think it's rejecting to keep going up? Or you think it's rejecting here to make a top wick to then fill that wick again and come down into these areas? All right, now let's look at the monthly. What do you think the monthly is doing? Right? Monthly tapped into this little range right here. Rejected off of it. But are we going to flip? It could potentially be a double tops on the 5-minute time frame. Very, very much true. Very much true. Right here. Boom, boom. Come back to this area to then continue higher or just crack down all the way. Very much true. I act on what I see. Like you seen that 5-minute double top? Perfect. Like I said, this is me right here. But you got to pay attention to the candles. This is how I would normally trade. 5 pip stop. Try to take it down. But 15-minute close or 15-minute just opened. 30-minute just opened. 1 hour just opened. So honestly, I think it's just making a bottom wick. I think it's just making the bottom wick. Right. That engulfing 65 pips, 420. Be somewhere. That's not. Nah. It's 30 minutes as well. Here's your engulfing as well. Right, 15, make 20 pips. 20 pips, 20 pips, 20 pips. So 2 to 1 is 40 pips. Right here. This recently happened while we were talking. See how it plays out. I'm not going to keep that on the board though. But actually, I'm going to do this though. This is the 2 to 1. And this is the stop loss for that. All right. Make that red. Boom. Boom. Just like that. Perfect. $26 people watching. 20 likes. That's dope. You got 5 more likes though. Tie it up. Break it even. Right. But like I said, guys, for real, pay attention to that. Pay attention to these engulfing candles, man. For real. Your trading will increase drastically. Trust. Trust the process. Trust it. I'm going to open up a trading account. I'm going to open up a funded account. Gold on a Monday. Yes, sir. Rich in mind. I like your name. Rich in mind. Yes. Yes. Speaking into existence, bro. Great job. Gold on a Monday, exactly. Right. Already took my already took my trade for today. It was a winner. Now, you know, if you have questions, feel free to ask. Get better. I genuinely I'll genuinely answer the questions as best as I can, and I'm very honest. You know what I mean? If you're new, subscribe. I'm here every single day, same time, same realness, no bullshit, no gimmicks, just here, right? Just here. Yes, I have a very, 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 very hard time here, right? Very hard time. Now you have this little trend line here. Now, thinking ahead, the 15-minute candle looks like it could also, or it could turn into a hangman, right? Right here, it could turn into a hangman. Now, if this candle turns into a hangman, right after creating this double top, here's a neckline. Here should be your TP. Actually, they say enter right here, but fuck that. It's pointless, right? If this candle's a hangman, then boy, right? You could potentially see another leg down. But honestly, we should go up. It's just choppy. Monday, end of the month, shitty price action. It's like, come on, man. It's Monday. Just like Rich in Mind said, it's Monday. Shitty gold on shitty Monday, right? Our entries right here on our learn and earn. Our entries is right here. 9 pip stop. And then I had the zone marked off based on the gap. There's a gap here somewhere on the 15-minute candle or 15-minute time frame right here. Just like that. I knew we were going to target that. Then boom. That was the trade for this morning. It fucking stopped me at break even. It's cool. It is what it is. Missed an entry right here again. Which, what's his name caught? Dude caught that. Looking really nice. Looking really spiffy. Right? Should be coming up here just like that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, my man. Good fucking job, bro. Proud of you, bro. Get that motherfucking money, man. Now the 15-minute candle, right? 15-minute 15-minute engulfing candles almost at TP, right? Shit's almost at TP. It's looking like that. Stops right here. TP right here. Is it gonna make it? Who knows? Who knows? Learn from the best. You're the best. You executed. I didn't, which makes you better than me this morning. Good job, sir. Which makes you better than me this morning, though. Just this morning. I give it to you this morning. I don't know about tomorrow. Clean traffic above. Let's go. You gotta go, bro. You gotta go. Oh, this man. Oh, man. Oh, man. This man gotta go. Oh, fucking hell, man. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Jesus Christ. Clean traffic above. Let's go. Just let it mess around for about another 15 minutes. Another 15 minutes. So a lot of times on the 1 hour candle, also pay attention to this. Make you a better trader. A lot of times the 1 hour candle, the first half hour of the 1 hour candle, it's not going the way that it's supposed to go. So you see how in 15 minutes, like I said, in 15 minutes we're still bearish. Then the next 15 minutes the next half hour should continue this 1 hour candle up. I mean, just looking at price action, it only makes sense. Only thing that's stopping it right now is this little area right here. But honestly, I don't think it's going to hold much longer. I think we're going to blast through here. And once you blast through this area, this little area right here, which is previous support, right? Because if it really wanted to reject right here, and this previous 1 hour candle wouldn't have closed strong like that, right? If it really wanted to reject right here. And if it really wanted to reject, then this previous 1 hour candle should have continued lower. But it didn't. It faked everyone out right here. It even broke the 1 hour low, right? So everyone that buys price action right now, you should be good. You should be good. Now, unless you see the 1 hour really having a hard time and it's not trying to push up anymore and the 1 hour candle closes something doji like, then you got to start being more cautious of the situation and adapt to the situation that has been given, right? That's trading. You gonna adapt? Are you gonna adapt, or are you gonna stay emotional and be like, no, it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up, and you see it just coming down straight in your face, right? And that is trading for you. Your emotions. You can handle your emotions. You'll win every day. Every fucking day. Every fucking day. Hey. Oof. 15-minute candle. Look at that. That's not a good candle close here, honestly. 5-minute. Double top again. Tapped into this area. Now, break below. Stops above. Possibly. I'm not doing it. I'm staying away today. Made my money already. Just chilling now. Right? Just chilling. Helping. Chilling and helping. 15-minute candles. That's that hanging man that I was talking about. Very dangerous candle. Now, you have another double top right here. Already sell. Hangman at 15. Already sell. Yeah. Friends was there last week when I caught that shit on. Well, I don't think you were there. On Luke's stream when I said 15-minute hanging man. Get ready to short. That shit dropped like 100 pips just off that hangman candle. Never even expected any drawdown. Now, there's two options, right? Friends, you have the 15-minute hanging man at resistance. 5-minute candle. If the 5-minute candle breaks this candle right here, previous high or previous low, then you can anticipate it. You can anticipate it to close engulfing and get in on an entry right here, right? To then take it down to who knows. But I'm not taking any trade in this range. Why? It's not at any resistance. It's not at any support except for here, right? But I'm done anyway for the day. So right here, right, you have that 4-hour support area right here. Now you just gotta be careful, buddy. You just gotta really be careful, because if it rejects this 5-minute support, I know it's 5-minute support, but lately gold has been respecting 5-minute supports and 15-minute supports more than it sometimes has been in higher time frames. It's been kind of weird trading gold. Hi, bro. Can you hang it? Can you draw a hangman candle, please? I'll go look for some. I like my hangman candles personally on 15 minutes. I'll go look for a perfect hangman candle on 15 minutes for you, bro. Now you gotta always have these at resistance. You can't have these at support. They don't count. All right, so I'm gonna find the perfect hangman candle. Take a picture of it. Go back and look for the rest. And back test that hangman candle. Right. So we're only looking at 15-minute. Looking for the most perfect. Oh, hanging man candle. Haha. This one's pretty good, but I've seen better ones. Got you, bro. Don't worry. We gotta scroll. Oh, look at that. Look at that engulfing. Let's see. Got you, bro. Yeah, it's kind of hard looking for that candle, isn't it? There's one right here as well, but it's not the perfect one. Hangman is also. Oh, I found it for you, bro. I found it. Dharm Patel. I found it. I'm gonna circle it now. Don't worry. Right here. See that? See that? Now I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna leave this here. Oh wait, let's. 27th December, 5 p.m. Someone remember that, please. 17th December, 5 p.m. Right now we're gonna look back. We're gonna see if it's had any support or resistance. Am I too far? 17th December. Okay. Okay, so 17th December, we had this whole area right in here. Okay. I go back. We're gonna go look for 17th December again. Oh, damn. Oops. Oh, it's 27th December. Fuck. Oh, yeah. I went back way too far again. What the fuck? Huh? Was it here? Or am I tripping? I think it's not there. I think it's right here. Oh. Okay, anyway, bro. Fuck that. Done looking. Here, you have your perfect hangman candle. Take a picture of it. Don't forget it. I wanted to see if there was any resistance at that area, but on the 4-hour, but right here, bro. That's your perfect hangman candle. It really works. But only look for it. Yeah. You Leon, man, you fucking with me, man. It really works, but as you see, you gotta know how to react to it. So how I personally handle hangman candles, what happens a lot is the concept behind this is people see the bottom wick and they think, okay, the next candle is gonna reject and keep going up as well, right? So what price will do a lot of times as well is it will even fake you out even more. It's gonna open this 15-minute candle and you see how it kind of pushed it up, right? Almost breaking previous high, and then it's gonna dump price on you. So what I like to do is I like to enter at the open of the next 15-minute candle. So just at the open, you take an entry just like that, right? And then you put your stops obviously right now above here. So you would look at something like this, right? 10 pips, and then add 5 pips to it, 15 pips, right? And then your first TP would be at here at this 15-minute support, which is already a 2 to 40, which is already a 2.49 risk to reward ratio, right? And if you really want to squeeze it, you could have had, if you really squeezed it, a 375. This right here is the perfect hangman candle. Take a picture of that shit, or I'll just do it for you guys. There you go. Whee! That's it. Give me a second, bro. Get my boy in here. Get my boy in here. Get my man's in here real quick. Right? Yeah, Luke, I just been putting them on game, bro, all morning, low key. Just straight flame. Right? Look at this hanging man candle right now. What it's doing as well. It's coming down. You are very welcome, Darm. Here's my PayPal. Okay. Yeah. This is another hangman candle, but the one I showed you is like the one I prefer the most. Now, you have another hangman candle on a 5-minute time frame. Candle broke and price is breaking structure right now. What could it do? I'm just kidding. Darm, don't send me nothing on PayPal, bro. This is me. I joke like this, right? So what could this potentially do right now on a 5-minute time frame? Looking at it, well, it's rejecting right now. So you have a whoa. Okay. Anyway, you have a double top formation forming. You have 15-minute hanging man, right? So this is the data that we have collected. Yeah, don't send that in the arm. But that really is my PayPal. If you really feeling generous, but I was just playing. Know what I mean? Oh man. Now what you really could do is, right, wait for a break of candle, wait for a break below here, support, take a sell, risky sells, risky for the biscuit, right? Risky for the biscuit. Me personally, I'm not doing it. Taking in sales, I like the buys more. Buys are gonna play out. I feel like the buys are gonna play out. Hey, Mr. Darm. Everybody make sure to leave a like. Yes, sir, bro. I have more likes than viewers. I feel like people just come in here, like it, and leave. Like, all right, bro. I done my part. GG's. Yeah, fuck it. Right? 33 likes, 29 viewers. Like, what? Come on, man. Shit. These motherfuckers got me fucked up. Shit. At least leave a comment. Like, type in the comments like, yeah, bro, look, listen. I ain't got no time. But I'm going to leave it a like and I'm going to dip out. I'm going to leave, alright? This is crazy. This is insane, man. I swear. Here, look. 15-minute candle. Another one. 30-minute candle. 1 hour candle looks messy. Ugh. Just smash that button. Yeah, bro. Just smash that button. Right? Now say the 1 hour, now say the 5-minute flips bearish. Would you enter? Or would you not? I wouldn't. I would wait for that 5-minute structure to break. 5-minute support break. Stops above. Nope. Exactly. Exactly. I would wait. This is how I trade. Right here, enter, stops above, 10 pips. Then it's kind of hard to find a TP in this range, but you see how the 1 hour, remember what I said, like with the 1 hour candle, the first half hour of the 1 hour candle is going to go in the direction that it's not supposed to go in. The next half hour of that 1 hour candle is going to go into the direction that it wants to go. Now remember, go hangman's go. Now remember, this is structure, right? This is structure. This is your lower low. This is your lower high. This is your lower low. Now this is price rejecting or coming into a lower low, coming into a lower low, tapping it, rejecting it, possibly creating another lower low, leg down. Now, but if this 4 hour candle closes above here, then it's done, right? Then you can find more upward structure, and then you're gonna look at the daily time frame, and then you're gonna look for the daily's last lower low, which is up here, right? Ooh wee, there's sell limits all up in this red box. Let me tell you, there is sell limits all up in that motherfucker, right? Now what price really is gonna do? It's gonna wait for New York. Right? It's gonna wait for New York. Go hangman. Go hangman. Not in any trades. If you entered at the open, right when it opened, you had your stops above, you're looking at 6 pip stop loss. If you want to extend it, be a little more safer, you make it 11. Right? You make it 11. And you would already be up 8 pips, and then your 2-to-1 would be somewhere down here. Or 2.0, right? So friends, and now friend, look, ooh, I swear, I hope it engulfs. I swear, I hope it does. right? Because the market trend is still bearish at this point, right? But yeah, go hang, man. My man said 35 likes, 30 viewers. I'm telling you, bro, they come in here, they like the stream, and then they're like, yeah, bro, I gotta get out of here. You know, I'd love to stick around, but I gotta go. You know, my girl's asleep and da 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 da. Shazad. Took a sell at 1791.41. Why? Why? Where's your stop loss? Oh, sorry. 10 pip stop loss. Why? Tell me why, bro. Please. Tell me why, please. I will guide you. I like it because why you're selling at structure. You're selling structure. There's nothing wrong with selling structure. You're selling the high. Well, today's high, right? It's working out for you, right? Personally, my entry, if I was looking for anything right now, personally, my entry would have been the break of this candle, this 5-minute hanging man candle. The confirmations are there already. So the confirmations that we have right now for the people that's in sales, I'm gonna digest this for you guys. The confirmations that you have right now, right? 4 hour lower low, right? This is structure. Structure should come up in here, reject, and create a lower low. It's structure. It's a good job. 15-minute candles, right? 15-minute, right? You have 15-minute double top, 15-minute hanging man, 5-minute double top, 5-minute broke support, or is breaking support, right? 15-minute dropping, double top. Where's your TP? Where's your TP at Shazad? Where's your TP? 10 pip stop. Where's your TP, sir? So all of this is what makes a good trade, right? 4 hour structure. What are your confirmations? I write my confirmations down, right? 4 hour structure, 15-minute hanging man, 5-minute double top. Oh, hangman and double top. Oh my god, Nazardi keyboard. Shit. Double top. Right? Oh my god. DT. Right? 5-minute double top. Right? 5-minute hanging man. Right? So you have one confirmation right here. You have your 4 hour structure. At 15-minute hanging man and double top. 5-minute double top. 5-minute hanging man. And then it eventually engulfed, right? Boom, just like that. Stops above. If it doesn't work out, know your TP. Know where you want to take profit at. And take profit when it really gets there. Simple. Right? Right? Boom. And you should be floating in profits. What should be my TP? I don't know, bro. You enter the trade. You should plan ahead where your TP would be, where your TP should be, where your TP could be. Right? You should know what your TP is. Right? So if you have a double, so where should your TP be? Okay? You have, for instance, okay, let me find your entry again. And let's do something that makes sense, right? Settings, and we're gonna help you find your TP, but I'm gonna explain to you what should your TP be, right? Let's see, what was his entry? 1791.41. 17.41. This is your entry. Beautiful entry. Personally, okay, I can't complain. Personally, my entry would be right here at the break. Doesn't matter. 10 pip stop. So this is Shahad's entry and his stop. 10 pip stop. Stops are above highs. Makes sense. And currently you're running 7 pips in profit. Right? Now, what would your first TP be? Well, we have a 15-minute double top, 5-minute double top, and your neckline is right here. This is your neckline right now, right? This is your neckline. So, based on the 15-minute, based on what, based on the, what's it called, time frame that you took your trade, you should also base your TP, right? 15-minute time frame, my TP would be around in this yellow bar. Why? One, you have your neckline right here, and this is where a lot of buyers pop in. And then, you know, eventually down here, right? Yeah. But you have a 10 pip stop, so you kind of want to go for like a 20 pip 2 to 1. Always try to go for that. Always try to go for that 2 to 1. You could overextend it and go for that 3 to 1, but that's up to you, right? I'm not gonna force anything. I like my positions 2 to 1s. I snatched a lot of money out of there, right? Cool, perfect. You guys that are in this trade, you guys are moving smooth, right? You're moving smooth. You're chilling right now. That should your TP be, Shazad. That should your TP be, right up in here. Just like that. 2 to 1. Simple. Right? Got it. Yes, sir. Got it. Maybe he hits 93, 95 area and then drops again. Yeah. You see it. You guys see it. Exactly. But I wonder how you got the 95. Oh, okay, I see. Let me see if for 4 hour. Yeah, I see. Yeah, makes sense, bro. Rich, you see it too. You see it. You see it. 93. Okay, 93 I kind of don't agree with. I mean, it could potentially leave like a fake wick up there. So I do agree. You collect this liquidity up here, collect this money. I agree. 93, but 95, I feel like that's if it's here, then it needs to continue here, right? Because then structure is done. That's how I feel, right? Right. So let's wonder what happens when US opens exactly. But here, Mr. Darm, you asked what your 15-minute, or you asked for your hangman candle. This is also a hangman candle, but it's not the perfect hangman candle. But you see how it could have potentially made you some money. Potentially. There's always that potential. But the people that sold at resistance, their possibility, their probability, of winning this trade increased by a lot. Why? Because they're selling resistance. They're selling resistance. Right? Now, it might not work out, but it might. But they're selling resistance. Probabilities increase. Right? Yeah, when US opens, could get tricky here. Me personally, I know these dudes are in sells. Kind of don't want to bash your sells. I hope everyone's winning today. But me personally, I need to see price come up in here before I sell again. I was already in buys as well from this morning. That's just me personally. It could not happen that way. It could also just fucking tank down right now and just fucking come down here to this weekly support. It could. But me personally, would you buy at the neckline? No. I'm done for today, bro. I'm not trading. I'm only helping. If you guys want to take trades and no news today, yeah, news. No, there's no news today. Nope. But I'm only helping. I'm only educating. I'm only giving out free nuggets today. So, all right. That's all I'm doing. Free nuggets. My trade's done. I already took a dub. My learn and earn. We've been done. We took a trade and the trade hit TP in like 10 minutes. We've been done. Right? We're just chilling now. They're chilling now. I don't know what they're doing. They're just chilling. Right? Money's already in the bag. right? I'm not looking to trade again. But I am, pay attention to my words. I am going to open up a funded account probably next week. And I'm only trade the 15-minute engulfing candles. And I will also, vlog it? Is that the word I'm looking for? Vlog it, put it on my page. Show you guys it works, right? Alright, so now gold is just in this range, man. Gold's ugly. How long you been trading for, bro? Probably about 4 years. Consistently making money like 2 years. I lost for like 2 years straight. But now I make money, right? Now I make money and help. 4 years really learning, really trying to get good. 2 years getting my ass beat. If for 2 years it was my emotions. I knew the market. I knew gold. I've only traded GJ and gold, right? I knew the market. I knew how it moved. I knew when it moved. I knew what to look for. It was 2 things that would always get me. The 2 emotions. Greed always got me. Greed always got me. And fear of missing out. Those 2 always used to fuck me so hard. It's crazy. It is crazy. Now, this is why I always say, like, even to my learn and earn people, I'm like, bro, get that money off the table, bro. Like, right? I call myself bank robber for a reason. It's legal. Right? We're robbing the banks legally. But when you rob the bank, you can't sit around, wait for the police to show up and drink coffee with the police, right? You gotta get the fuck out of there, right? You gotta get your money and get out, right? Get your 2 to 1 and get the fuck out. Close the trade, right? Still trying to fight your emotions. I mean, it is a battle. It's a battle. It's one of the hardest battles, not even only with trading in life, right? It's fighting yourself and your emotions, right? Yeah, bro, for real, Darm, you can't chill, you can't rob a bank, sit around, wait for police to come and be like, you want some coffee with the donut you eating? What you think he gonna do, man? He gonna click, click, click. You coming with me, man? You robbing these banks? Come on, man. Nah, bro, you gotta take your money and dip. You gotta get your money and get out, right? Dude right here, what's his name again? Shazad. If you're you gotta take your money and get out, bro. Fuck that. Crazy as hell, boy. I stick around, mess with the cops, man. They gonna snatch my ass up. In the 15 years, man. Fuck that. Right? Shazad. Even you. Like, let's be real. It's not a lot. It's not a lot of money. It's not a lot of pips. I don't know how big your account is, but you got an entry up here. Your stops is 10 pips, 12 pips. You had 14 pips, right? You're 6 pips away from your 2 to 1. Even right here, bro, if you're thinking to yourself, like, you know what? Fuck that. I'm taking all my money and I'm done for the day. You should be good, bro. You should be good. What is wrong with collecting money? Now, you are going to be wrong if you get emotionally attached, right? You get greedy. This was my issue so much. You get greedy and you see all the signs that are telling you close a trade. The little voice in your head's telling you close a trade, bro. You're going to get fucked. Close a trade, bro. And then you go against that little voice. You're fucked. Spread them butt cheeks. Gold. The banks is coming for your money. 100%. 100%. I mean, you don't have to get out. You don't have to get out. I honestly, with all due, I honestly think your TP is gonna get hit with your 2 to 1. I really do. But just don't turn a loser into a winner, right? Don't get greedy. I just use you for an example. Like if you look at your MetaTrader, or I don't know how you're trading, or looking at your profits, if you see like, okay, right, there's so much money on here. I'm gonna close the trade. I like the profits that I made for today. I like the profits that I made for today. Right? Give me a second. I'm getting a phone call. There. Your 2-to-1's hit. Good job. People that took that hanging man candle. Good job. Right after right after I explained to you the effectiveness of a hanging man candle. Look what it did. Fucking gave you a hanging man candle right there. Live example. Live broken down thought process behind it. Look at it. Right there, Darm. Right there in front of you, bro. Live in the flesh. Live in the flesh. Oh, what's your biggest loss on one trade? You don't want to know that. Back when I was learning. Yeah, Shazad, you're welcome, bro. See, now Shazad, you also have a. I'm gonna get back to you on that biggest loss in a day. I'm gonna get back to you. Now, see, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, your 2-to-1's hit. Now you could do either or, right? Now it's a little too late for that because it's already rejecting. But you could or close 80%, 80 to 90%, whatever you're happy with. Put your stops at break even and let the rest running, right? It's reacting. Yeah, it's reacting, right? Those are your options. It's only reacting because it's the new 15-minute candle, right? So, you know what I mean? So, back to Sylvester, I'm gonna tell you guys a story. Back when I used to be like fucking greedy and I didn't have any emotional control. I was just reckless. I remember trading. It was gold, and I don't remember if I was counter trend trading or I don't know what it was, but I've had a bad day and I dropped a 10 lot. And it's when greed also kicked in. I remember the 10 lot, it went in like 15 pips in profit, right? But I was so sure of my analysis, right? So sure of my analysis. At one point, it was like 1.5K profit, right? 1.7K profit. I was so sure of my analysis, and I was like, yeah. I was like making videos, like, yeah, I'm the best, blah, 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 blah. Bullshit, right? Then next thing you know, right, gold turns around, boom, you know what? I'm sitting here, I'm like, I'm watching it, right? I'm watching my money, I'm thinking like, yeah, okay, this and this and this. Next thing you know, bro, that motherfucker yoink went the other way, stopped me out. Well, I lost like $3,000 that day. I got mad. The next day, added $6,000, dropped a 20 lot, made $7,000, closed it, withdrew it, put all the money back where it came from, and yeah. But that was just all emotion play. Now, if you go back on my trading history here, I do not risk more than 1% a day. Sometimes I'd risk it on like a Friday. If I had like a very good week, I'll go like 2% on Friday. But that's it. That's it. You don't see me risking more than 3% a day. Not even 1%, right? I don't even risk more than 1%, right? Very dangerous. Very dangerous. Just like right now, like I made a win. Why not wait till tomorrow? Why not wait till tomorrow? Find a better setup, possibly win again, right? Makes you 2-0 for the week. Wait till Wednesday. You might lose Wednesday. You might win Wednesday. Makes you 3-0 for the week. But if you keep that 2-1, then you're up 4. Let's say you're up 4 and you lost 1, right? So you still got 4 trades to win to be break even, or 4 trades to lose to be break even for the week, right? That's the importance about all this shit. At least you made it back, but yeah, I could have lost it, right? I could have lost it. Then I would have lost. I lost a lot. I lost a lot, right? 10 pips on 20 lots, 2K, bro. 10 pip loss, that's 2K. That's a lot of money, especially back then, right? 1 hour. What's the 1 hour doing? 1 hour came back exactly down to that neckline and rejected. Support, right? Support engulfing on a 5-minute. Here it is again. Remember what I fucking said about these 15-minute candles, right? Remember what I said with these 15-minute candles. Whoever's been here for like the last half hour, remember what I said right here. Still playing out. Still playing out. 5 pips below, 20 pips stop. Still playing out. Right? You're looking at 40 pips. Right here. Still playing out, man. Still playing out. Now it's doing it again. Has to break. Wait. Do you always trade UK or Asia? No, bro. I normally only trade London session with gold. I'm just here standing on the charts long. You know, if it wasn't for YouTube and trying to help right now, then I'll be long gone already off my computer. Then I would have been out of my house already chilling. But now, you know, I stick around a little bit. You know, kick back, relax, talk to you guys, help you guys, whatever you need help with. I got you guys. Don't even worry about it. Right? But you see how that 15-minute candle, right? The person or the 15-minute engulfing reacted here to the 2-1, right? 40 pips. Almost there. The 2-1, right? But you see now you have a 15-minute candle engulfing right here. Now could you potentially re-enter, right? Could you potentially re-enter at the close of this candle, stops below, and then go for that 2-1 again? That's on you. If you want to be greedy, you could, right? But me personally, no, I wouldn't. I would wait for this TP to hit, 40 pips, wait for that to hit, and then TP 93, I'm done. Yeah, good shit, bro. Very good. Yeah, you seen it. Now they're struggling here, but you just see how powerful these 15-minute candles can be, right? See how powerful these 15-minute candles can be. And it's not even, this is against the rules because I said 4-hour support and daily support, right? So, and daily resistance as well. And trust me, gold shows a lot. It's been an interesting morning. Yes, sir. Every morning we're here, bro. Every fucking morning. Trust. Every morning I'll be here. Talking my shit. Trading. Oh, look. Right here. 4 hour. Look. They're talking about these 15 minutes engulfings. It's just that simple. You enter. You put your 5 stops above. Right? What's that? 7. So you would be at 12 pip stop loss. Now, if you have magic keys, 12 pip stop loss, bro, that motherfucker is going to skyrocket, right? 2-1, right? Look at that. Choppy as fuck. Choppy than a motherfucker. I ain't going to lie. But, you know, it worked out. It worked out pretty fucking damn good. Look at that. Look at that fucking shit, man. 15-minute engulfing candles. And like I said, I've been bullish biased all morning. I just helped the people trying to short, right? I just helped you guys, get in, get out, because you guys would have been stuck right here. Like, what? So, honestly, I love gold too, bro. Trust. Gold's my bitch. Honestly, I do see us coming up here today. That was my initial TP for today, but it stopped me out of break even, which is cool. Has to break us. Thanks, bro. Is the next resistance a 4-hour order block? Right here? I mean this right here? This right here, bro? At the price 1798.59. Order blocks are cool and stuff and whatever, but honestly, bro, it's just resistance. It's the same fucking shit. Right? This is an order block. Right? If you would mark it up as an order block, it look like that. That's your order block, that blue one, and yeah. But it's the same thing. What is it right here? It's resistance. Same thing. You're welcome, bro. You're welcome. I'll be here every day. I like doing this shit too, just, It would be more fun if more people interacted, which would give me more tips to talk about, which would give me more knowledge to share, which would, make the chat more active, which would keep me giving out free nuggets. But it's only like 5 or 6 people talking. That's cool. I mean, that's how it starts. You always gotta start somewhere. I didn't expect for me to stream and just fucking blow up to like 300 viewers. Like, doesn't work like that, does it? But yeah, everyone here though, they should. I remember someone was in buys this morning. What's his name? Took shorts. His TP got hit. Right? So you guys did a great job. Everyone did a great job. It's gonna grow like your account. LOL. Yep. Exactly. It starts somewhere. You gotta start somewhere. I mean, I grew a $500 account to like 10K. Right? When you start this channel, bro, like 2 months ago. I just started live streaming last week. But if you go look at my channel, there's some nuggets in there. More for like beginner people, but there's nuggets in there for sure, 100%. Sick? Yeah, bro. Love. I'm still setting my stream up. I still kind of want like the thumbnails and whatever, and like when someone subscribes, that it pops up with like some music. I'm still working on it, but I'm not in a rush, bro. I'm not tripping. I'm just chilling, literally. All right. Yeah. So now, Rich in Mind and Daryl, I don't know if you guys were here, but I was just showing everyone like the power of 15-minute engulfing candle. So now what I will do is I'm gonna open up a funded account, and I am going to fuck, come on now, man. I'm gonna only trade 15-minute engulfing candles at 4-hour daily or weekly resistance and support. Just to show you guys how fucking powerful they are, right? I used to listen to you guys on the trading lounge, you and AJ, yes sir, and Sasha, yes sir. You just come on my home screen today, you hitting algos, bro. Oh, that's dope. That's dope. Right? That's dope as fuck. Right? But I honestly still think that 2-to-1 is gonna get hit. But now, see, this one also greed kicks in because it could just reject, and then there goes your 2-to-1, right? So sometimes you gotta make these decisions, man. You know what I mean? Gotta make these decisions. But honestly, it should keep going. 100% should coming to here. I'm gonna set an alarm up there as well, right? But I think I've been here long enough now. Been streaming for about 2 hours. Gave out a lot of good knowledge. I am gonna post. I am gonna post my free Telegram link in here, man. You guys just join if you want. You don't have to. I really don't care. This is where all my updates are. I don't even know how to share that shit, honestly. Oh, here. Add, invite via link, copy link. There we go. That's that. All right, boom. That's that. That's the free Telegram link. All right, join your Telegram. Lit. Thanks, bro. Lit. Also, take you guys to my Instagram real quick. You know, I'll drop a follow in there. Oh, this dude's funny as fuck. Right? Copy that. Follow that. There's some nuggets right here on the on my IGTV as well. Right? And if you guys really want to, yeah. So yeah, that was it, man. That was it for today. Thanks everyone for tuning in. You know, give me a like, give me a follow. I'll be back tomorrow. Thanks everyone for tuning in. And the PayPay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And if you guys really want, and the PayPay, if you made money today, it's right there. It's PayPal / that username. You know what I mean? No, I'm just playing. Right, yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. More nuggets, more money to be made. Everyone made money on the buying and selling side. Nobody should have lost. Right? We just chilling, man. We just chilling. See you guys tomorrow. Have a blessed day. Stop fucking trading. If you want to trade and you're in a trade, stop fucking trading, bro. Turn off your computer with me right now. I'm gonna turn off my computer and do something else with my life. Right? You guys are lit. You guys are awesome. I'm out.